In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an AI image using Canva. Whether you're working on a creative project or just exploring the possibilities of AI, this step-by-step guide will help you effortlessly create your very own AI-generated masterpiece. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to Canva's website by typing canva.com into your browser. Once you're there, look toward the upper right corner of the home page where you'll find the login button. If you don't already have an account, it's a quick and straightforward process to set one up. You can sign in using your Google account, Facebook, or your email, whichever is most convenient for you. This diverse login option ensures you can easily access Canva using the credentials you likely use for many other services. Once you're logged in, the Canvas dashboard is where all the magic happens. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a variety of design tools. Among these tools, click on the Elements tab. The Elements feature is a treasure trove of graphic goodies, perfect for adding those extra details to your designs. However, today we're focused on one particular aspect, using AI to generate images. After clicking on Elements, use the search bar to look for the AI image generator. This feature really is an innovation, allowing you to create high-quality images tailored specifically to your needs. The search results will guide you directly to the AI image generator tool. Once you've found it, click on Generate Your Own. This is where your creativity can really shine. You'll find a text box where you can describe the kind of image you want to create. Don't hesitate to be as detailed as possible. The better you describe your vision, the more accurate and fitting your AI generated image will be. For instance, if you're aiming for a serene beach scene, mention specifics like the time of day, any particular colors or elements like palm trees or seagulls. Once you've penned down your creative vision, it's time to see it come to life. Simply click Generate Image, and there you go, the AI will take a moment to process your request, and then your unique creation will be displayed. You can further adjust or tweak it if necessary, or save and incorporate it into any of your projects. That's it, it's really that simple. Creating AI generated images with Canva opens up endless possibilities, whether you're looking to enhance your marketing materials, social media posts, or just experiment with new forms of digital art. I hope you found this guide helpful, and that you're now ready to use Canva's AI image generator to unleash your creativity. Thanks for watching and happy designing.